Today's project is a 10-minute tutorial. Welcome back. Today is all about two of my favorite tools for beginners, Silk Paint and Voo Doo Gel Stain. Silk Paint is your primer, paint, and top coat all in one, and your Voo Doo Gel Stain is a water-based dream to work with because you can use it straight from the bottle. Today's project is this tiny table, and we are going to use those products together to completely change this piece of furniture in record time. As always, begin by inspecting your furniture inside and out. If you're looking for a piece of furniture to paint, look for something like this that is solid wood with dovetails on the drawers. Make sure to clean properly using either Terra Clean, Pristine Clean, or White Lightning. Technically, they're all the same product, just packaged differently for different paint lines. After cleaning, remove your hardware and get ready to start. I want to use my Voo Doo Gel Stain on raw wood, so I sanded down the top of this tiny table. This tiny bottle right here has become a staple in my furniture flipping projects. This product is highly pigmented and it's water-based. That means zero VOCs. It's really great for those people who want the look of like a traditional wood stain without the harsh fumes or the long dry times. Since Voo Doo Gel Stain is water-based, you simply wipe it on in the direction of the wood grain. Make sure to shake your bottle really well before applying it because this product does have a pigment inside that will settle to the bottom. And if you're wondering if you need a wood stain conditioner, you probably don't, but if you'd like to play with your stain and have a little bit more open time, you can use a wood conditioner before you apply your Voo Doo Gel Stain. There's really no rules for applying this product other than I like to wipe it in the direction of the wood grain, but I will use a terry cloth applicator pad to get a nice, smooth, even finish. So what's next? Well, that would be silk paint. If you want a professional looking furniture finish, but you don't want to spend all weekend doing it, you need to know about silk all-in-one mineral paint. I do like to use a smooth synthetic brush when I apply my silk paint. Since this paint is self-leveling, it always gives you a beautiful look, just like it was sprayed on. You don't want to overwork this paint. Just cover the initial surface in one even coat. Wait for that to get dry in approximately 2 hours, and you can come in and apply your second coat. Silk all-in-one mineral paint is also mildew resistant, which makes this amazing for bathrooms and kitchens. Personally, I have used this paint in my children's bedroom on their furniture and in the children's bathroom. One more thing to remember about silk all-in-one mineral paint is that it dries a little bit faster than traditional chalk mineral paint. So work in sections, keep a wet edge to avoid any texture, and if you're doing a large piece, this speed is actually your best friend. Keep it quick, work in sections, and cover that area with paint. And remember, when you're done your 2 even coats of silk all-in-one mineral paint, you're done. You can just walk away. There's no need to top coat this since the top coat is built into the paint. There are over 46 colors available in the Dixie Belle's silk all-in-one mineral paint line, so choose your favorite and get painting. And if you're looking for other colors that are similar to this beautiful color called Chantilly, in the whites and cream department, you can find other ones like Saltwater, Endless Shore, and Elderflower. And personally, I hardly ever paint white, so you better be watching closely. I'm just kidding. I rarely paint white, but this was a custom project for a customer, and it turns out that I actually really liked this look, and this style of furniture painting for beginners has become very popular here on my YouTube channel. Sometimes I do get the question about top coating silk paint. If you do choose to top coat your silk paint due to a high traffic area, there is a product that's made specifically for this. It is called Silk Extra Coat, and it's very similar to gator hide. If you were going to top coat your silk paint, I would suggest a damp sponge and wiping on that top coat. Both finishes will be very similar in an eggshell-like finish. And if you're looking for the best brush for silk paint, personally, I like this brush, which is a flat medium or a flat mini, but you can also use your Scarlet. The Scarlet brush fits perfectly inside the paint can. And don't forget to paint the bottom of your furniture as well. Let's work on the interior of this drawer. Due to the fact that it was a little stained, I wanted to cover it up and make it look very fresh. So I grabbed the color Acadia and painted on one even coat. I then used a little bit of an extra transfer that I had to decorate the sides of the drawers. This is a super cute way to add a little pop of color and elevate your project. These little florals were the perfect size to layer and design that pop of color when the drawer gets open from the front. For the hardware on this piece, I simply reuse the original hardware. Let's talk about a top coat for your Voo Doo Gel Stain. I do like to top coat my Voo Doo Gel Stain to give it a little bit more strength. You do have a couple of different options when it comes to a top coat for your Voo Doo Gel Stain. In this project, I will be using my Satin Clear Coat, and yes, I know it looks milky, but technically it's satin that dries clear. You could also use a blue sponge to apply your top coat, or you could also use Gator Hide, which is Dixie Belle's toughest, most water repellent top coat. All of these top coats can be applied with a sponge or a brush. Both will work in the same manner. Overlapping my strokes a little bit so that I can get some really even coverage on the top of this tiny table. And honestly, with it being a little bit milky, it kind of lets me see where I've laid down the product versus where it's missing. So once I have covered the entire table, I'm going to go back over this with the same brush in one direction to really make sure that my strokes disappear. Again, I'm only top coating the top part of this project where there was Voo Doo Gel Stain, not the base. Whenever possible, I do like to reuse the original hardware. I think that it keeps the piece of furniture looking authentic. When you start to change things out, sometimes it starts to look a little bit odd. So there you go, furniture flip in 10 minutes or less. I hope that you really enjoyed this video and you learned something today. And if you'd like to try paint, you should really try Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint because of the built-in top coat and that built-in primer. This is going to make your job super duper easy and you can paint this piece in one day. What do you think of the final look? This piece went to live in a little girl's bedroom. The color choice was her request, and that little pop of color inside was my little personal touch. I am loving the combo of stain and paint on this tiny table. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week.